In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update course titles, descriptions, prices, and images in Lovable AI with this full guide. To begin, open your Lovable AI project dashboard and choose the website or app where your course listings are located. Once you're inside the correct project, navigate to the courses page or the section where your courses are displayed. This is the area where you'll make all of your content updates. Next, open Visual Edit mode or simply select the specific course element you want to modify. Lovable's visual editing tools make this process much easier because you can click directly on the content you want to change and edit it right on the page. Start with the course title. Click on the existing title, replace it with the new course name, and then save the title change. Make sure the updated title is clear, accurate, and matches the way you want the course presented to visitors. After that, select the course description area, edit the course summary, course details, or learning outcomes as needed. As you update this section, take a moment to review the text carefully for accuracy, readability, and formatting. This is especially important because the description helps potential students understand what the course offers. Now move to the course price field. Click into the price area and enter the updated price. Before moving on, verify that the currency and pricing format are correct. A small formatting mistake here can affect how professional the course listing looks, so it's worth double checking. Once the text and pricing are updated, select the course image or thumbnail. Click Replace Image or Upload New Image, then upload the new course image from your device. If needed, adjust the image size, crop, or positioning so it looks clean and properly framed. A well-fitted image helps keep your course card polished and consistent with the rest of the site. When those updates are complete, preview the updated course card or listing to see how everything looks together. If you have more than one course to update, repeat the same process for each additional course. Before finishing, check the page in desktop view and then in mobile view. This helps ensure your titles, descriptions, prices, and images display correctly across different screen sizes. You should also test any course buttons, such as Enroll Now or Learn More, to confirm they still work as expected. Finally, save all changes, publish or update the website, and then visit the live site to confirm that the new course titles, descriptions, prices, and images are displaying correctly. That's it! Your course listings are now fully updated in Lovable AI.